In our next video, an animal rights activist throws a fisherman's catch back into the water to save the fish's life and ends up paying a hefty fine. At Crescent Lake in St. Petersburg, Florida, it is legal to fish from June 1st to Labor Day, as long as you have a license and it's from the shoreline surrounding the park. That's all a father and son had in mind when they cast their lines in the water, until they were confronted by an animal rights activist demanding their fresh-caught fish be returned to the water. Bob J. Hope, his father, and his family were out for a day of fishing when Michael Leeming and his son confronted them.
When you hook them in the mouth, it really hurts them. Okay. So please stop fishing.
At issue is a fresh-caught tilapia left flopping on the sidewalk while another family member went in search of a bucket.
You guys just gonna let this fish die like this?
No.
You know, what if this was a dog and I hooked the dog through the mouth and threw her in the water?
Leeming himself steps in to argue his thoughts about the cruelty to fish.
Would you guys agree with that?
No, I don't.
While the fishermen politely disagree.
Do you guys think that this is okay to let this fish die right here?
At one point, Leeming even equates the life of a fish to that of a child.
What if this was a human child? But what if it was? They have the same ability and same emotions as a human child.
Then the angry activist decides to take matters and the fish into his own hands.
I'm fixing to throw him back in the water.
No, you're not going to touch it.
I'm not going to touch this fish that's dying?
Is he your property? Is he your property?
Is he your property?
He is now.
It is our property.
No, he's not. Don't step on that fish.
I will call the police.
Call the police. I just saved the fish life. How about that? How about that? Call the police.
Until now, the fishermen have remained calm, but with their dinner thrown back into the water, they are fed up.
The situation we have here is you can't go around harassing people. We have a situation where this individual was, saying that it was cruel, what was going on, and he does have a First Amendment right, but we do have a balance.
You're on video. Do not touch him.
That is stealing. That is harassment.
You're stealing the fish out of the lake.
You stole
You're stealing the fish out of the lake. How about that?
We're ignorant.
The argument draws the attention of another bystander who tries to intervene, but to no avail.
You're wrong for doing it in front of them.
I'm wrong for telling all the kids that fishing is wrong. Killing animals is wrong. I'm wrong for telling kids that? I'm wrong for telling kids that. Am I wrong for telling kids that?
Hope calls the police as Leeming's family chants slogans.
Animal liberation now. Animal liberation now. Food, it's violence. Their bodies, not ours.
Leeming was charged with petty theft, which carries a maximum penalty of 60 days in jail plus 6 months probation.
So if this was not caught on video, there would be extremely unlikely charges would have been filed because the police went out there and they didn't arrest anybody. They didn't charge anybody. It wasn't until later based on what was in this video. As well as this is also coupled with the fact that apparently these individuals had just come from a protest at a local chicken restaurant whose mascots are cows. And the city had that situation that had also taken place. But without the video, there wouldn't have been charges.
At his non-jury trial, Leeming was ordered to pay a $500 fine plus court costs, plus the value of the fish, which was assessed at $6. He received no jail time or probation.